Hi, I'm Damini Celebrate, and I'm really excited to join you today for Connect In. Connect In is a weekly broadcast to help you get out of your head and back into your heart. Because we know there has been so much going on in the past year that it's almost hard to stay inside our body. And if we're not inside our body, we're not heart-centered, and we can't listen to the guidance of our heart. Because I teach classes that are all around connecting in with your heart for inner guidance and inner wisdom, I was reading some fun facts today about the heart. Like, did you know that the heart keeps beating outside of the body? I didn't. Or maybe I did from old movies. And another one that really struck me is that we could die of heartbreak. And why this is all super interesting for me is I'm also a 5-element acupuncturist, which is a Taoist-based medicine. And one of the main premises of the medicine is around the heart. And the heart's job is to allow the full expression of all our emotions, not just the pleasant ones, right? And so whenever an emotion gets stuck or held back, it actually stops the flow of your energy. It creates stuckness, stagnation, or illness. So if you think about it this way visually, if you are in the flow of allowing your emotions to be expressed, and we all know what this feels like, just to have the freedom to say what's on our heart. But, if we start getting concerned about how and what we can or cannot say, we actually start feeling constricted, frustrated. And that kind of constriction not only makes our muscles tight, it slows the energy of our body. Blood flow, oxygen flow, emotion flow, and in qi, or energy flow, which is what Chinese medicine is based on. So that phrase that the heart must express a whole range of emotions is actually why I do this work. Because I feel like if we could express what is on our heart, we will be so much happier. And I don't mean happy like haha, but I mean like full, tenderly, lovingly ourselves happy. Our modern culture doesn't necessarily allow us the space to feel all that we feel. And because of that, we kind of really stuff a lot of these emotions in our bodies. And that's why I like to use the embodied creative processes of movement, of journaling, of drawing, doodling, to allow our heart to express what it needs to express without our mind getting in the way, going, what do you mean? What do you say? You don't have to do that. So when you work with the embodied creative processes, you free your heart. You free the energy of your body. And ultimately, you just feel a hell of a lot better. So take a moment, if you can, today, and just start journaling whatever comes to your heart. So journal from your heart, not from your mind. Just allow the words to flow. Don't worry about grammar or spelling or penmanship or any of those things that keep us in a box. Allow some time in your week for full freedom expression. And if you need a little guidance, you can go to my blog, which is DaminiCelebrate.com/blog, and there are lots of different processes that you can use to connect back into yourself. So thanks for watching, and please feel free to share any ahas, any kind of epiphanies, any surprises of what your heart had to share on the comments below. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.